All right, the boys are climbing up the mountain.
I think those are F-15s.
Wow, just have some F-35s just pass by so low. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Okay, I gotta go position myself.
Okay, I got one over Owens Lake. Kicking ass, coming straight at us, right down the center of Owens Lake.
Oh, okay, here comes one.
I
Watch.
just saw the canopy flash.
All right, here we go. Roger that. All right, here. Oh, here he comes. Look at that. F-15.
Did you see him dump fuel right there?
Yeah. F-15s just dumped fuel, headed across Owens Lake.
Oh my gosh. You know what? I think I'm just gonna set it up right here. They are actually following this road, just like Stu had said. So right now they're doing circles above Owen. They're doing circles above Owens Lake. I don't know if you can see it. They're just doing circles. Wow. All right. Huh. Okay, one's coming. They're above. Can you hear that? Got the walkie-talkie because they're on the hill and they give me the heads up when they're coming. So I'm ready. All right, here comes some. Straight ahead. Oh, 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 behind me. Okay. Oh, you want to go? Okay, F-16. All right.
Right down on the water.
Smoke on the water. Oh, shoot, this is cool. Here they come. The smoke's clearing from the Thunderbirds. Two of them came across Owens Lake, and then look right above me, right above the rocks.
Oh my gosh, it did a flip right over you guys. Wow. That was bad. Look at the trail. They were so low.
The V-22s and the whites, there's a lot of burn smoke going on, so I really hoped he would buzz us here at the hill. There we go. They're not coming very low, but that's okay. Wow, beautiful. Very cool. Oh shit. Then I almost fall. The last thing. I'm gonna guess those are slams from Riverside. This one's got a lot more altitude. Yeah, it just feels like they're restricted because of the smoke. So this guy's doing he's actually doing a pretty good dive. I think he's got his flaps deployed. Very nice. Nothing groundbreaking. I mean, you can go to air show and see a C-17 flying around, but I was hoping they'd get closer to the mountain.